Have you ever gotten to the end of the month and wondered, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to keep track of their finances, feeling like their hard-earned cash is slipping through their fingers. Maybe you create a budget every month, but somehow, expenses always seem to pop up unexpectedly, leaving you scrambling. Perhaps you've tried budgeting apps before, but they felt too restrictive or complicated. If you're nodding your head in recognition, then there's a good chance you need to be introduced to YNAB, a budgeting system that's different from the rest. What is YNAB different from? Traditional budgeting often involves tracking income and expenses, categorizing them, and hoping you have enough left over at the end. It's a reactive approach, leaving you feeling powerless when unexpected costs arise. YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, flips the script on traditional budgeting. It's a proactive system built around the core principle of giving every dollar a job. Giving every dollar a job? What does that even mean? Imagine having a pile of cash on the table. With traditional budgeting, you might just label a few envelopes, rent, groceries, etc., and hope there's enough in each one by the end of the month. YNAB flips that around. Instead of just tracking what you spend, you actively assign every dollar you earn a specific job. This could be paying rent, buying groceries, saving for a vacation, or anything else that's important to you. Here's the key: you only assign jobs to dollars you actually have. This means you're actively planning for your spending, not just recording what's already happened. Let's see this in action. Let's say you get paid $2,000 this month. Here's how YNAB might work. Assigned to available categories, you start by assigning that $2,000 to your existing budget categories. This could be rent, groceries, utilities, car payment, etc. Plan for savings goals. Maybe you want to save $500 for a new phone. You'd set aside that $500 from your available funds and assign it to a new phone category. Unexpected expenses? No problem. Life happens, and unplanned expenses come up. But with YNAB, you're prepared. Since every dollar already has a job, you can simply move money from another category to cover the unexpected cost. This might mean reducing your eating out budget or delaying a non-essential purchase. But because you planned for your spending from the beginning, you're not left scrambling or racking up debt when surprises pop up. More than just budgeting, it's a mindset shift. YNAB isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about changing your relationship with money. By giving every dollar a job, you become more intentional about your spending. You're not just reacting to your bank account balance, you're actively controlling your finances. Think about it. Wouldn't you feel more empowered knowing exactly where your money is going and why? So, what can YNAB do for you? With YNAB, you can expect reduced stress, no more wondering where your money went. You'll have a clear picture of your finances and feel more in control. Debt control. YNAB helps you break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. By prioritizing debt repayment, you can become debt-free faster. Achieve savings goals, whether it's a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply building an emergency fund. YNAB helps you reach your financial goals. Is YNAB right for you? There's no one-size-fits-all solution to budgeting. YNAB might be a good fit for you if you struggle with traditional budgeting methods. You want to be more intentional with your spending. You're tired of living paycheck to paycheck. You have specific financial goals you want to achieve. Ready to give YNAB a try? YNAB offers a free trial, so you can see if it works for you. There are also tons of resources available online, including video tutorials and a supportive community. Remember, taking control of your finances doesn't have to be complicated. With YNAB, you can finally break free from the cycle of financial stress and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching.